Welcome to the Electric Motor Repair channel. Video number 5. Testing for grounds in electric motors, doing it the right way. Insulation testing of AC stators. The insulation system of any AC motor is comprised of insulated copper coils, sitting in laminated steel slots. The slots are insulated by using an insulating material in the slot cell. The MEGGER tests the dielectric strength of this material. Dielectric strength means able to withstand the stresses of electric voltages. Most 600-volt motors are tested, using a MEGGER with a maximum rated output of 1000 volts DC. The MEGGER's range has to have an adjustable selector switch, that selects different voltage ranges, starting at 100 volts. MEGGERs are available in hand crank or electronic form. 2 hand crank MEGGERs are shown. MEGGERs can range up to 5000 volts or more. Safety when using a MEGGER. When using a MEGGER, always wear high voltage glove, rubber sole boot, safety glasses, and ensure a clean workspace. When measuring any piece of equipment, we are actually determining the quality of the insulation between the coils or steel core, known as ground. The coils are floating in the steel core in insulated slot cells. When the MEGGER is cranked, the coil leads and the coils are energized. Electric stresses are created around the windings. If the dielectric strength of the slot cells is weak, it will puncture a hole in the slot liners, resulting in a path to ground and insulation failure. If the dielectric material, the slot cell, is damaged or weak, the MEGGER's voltage will puncture a hole in it, resulting in a ground in the winding. When using any testing equipment, safety has to be the main priority. The first thing to do is always wear eye protection. Next, make sure that you are wearing rubber sole boots. The final equipment is to wear high voltage, insulated gloves. Some people just ignore these steps, but it is extremely important. The MEGGER is not a toy. Do not expose the leads to anyone, to just touch. This is extremely dangerous. Do not allow anyone to touch the frame while meggering. The MEGGER can be used on all 115 volts to 600 volt AC electric motor windings. It has multiple uses and will be discussed in later videos. The horsepower is not important. It can range from anything under a quarter horsepower to over 5000 horsepower. In the next frame of the video, how to take MEGGER readings, the safety gloves are not worn for this demonstration. Wear them in actual use. Testing with the MEGGER. The first step is to short all of the leads together and having one connection point. The next step is to attach the red lead to the shorted coil lead connection and the black ground lead to the frame. The meter is set to its lowest output scale of 100 volts and slowly cranked, while observing the meter. If the reading is good, proceed to the next level and so on, until the 1000 level is reached. If the MEGGER meter reads less, stop. The reason has to be determined. All readings have to be at least 1 MEGGER at 1000 volts to ground. Finally, with the MEGGER leads still connected, short all of the leads to ground to drain off the electric charges. Hold it for a minute or so. Disconnect all leads. Refer to the AC Repair Book number 2 for more information. This concludes this video. Watch for more and refer to our technical books 1 through 5 for repair procedures and techniques. Email us at twmenterprises@roger.com or visit our website at twmmediaservices.com. The books and DVDs can be purchased online through amazon.ca.